How to change subscriber in Xero. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change subscriber in Xero. How do you go about this? The first thing to do, of course, is to log in into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you will be brought to the dashboard. Now on this dashboard, the next thing for you to do is to locate your business name, which is by the top left corner of the screen. Then you click on it. Once you click on it, go ahead and select settings. Okay, once you select settings, at the lower part of the screen under general settings, you will see subscription and billing. Subscription and billing. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on it, you will be brought to the subscription page. On this page, click on manage subscription. Once you clicked on manage subscription, the page should be displayed, and then you go ahead and on this page, this is you are the subscriber at the moment. Then by the right side of the box, you would see three dots displaying the options. Go ahead and click on it. Then you see request transfer in the box. Select it. Then once you click on request transfer, you'll be taken to the request transfer page. Here, invite someone to take over the subscription. You are still responsible for till Faithfully comes until the new subscriber accepts the subscription. So here, put the person's name, person's last name, and then the email address. Then once you've done inputting all of this, go ahead and click on request transfer. Then the transfer will be sent to the person. Once the person accepts this transfer, the person would be the subscriber of the organization. So this is how you can change subscriber in Xero. Thanks for watching.